Hosuli the robot is feeling weak. He has a terrible thirst, but he absolutely cannot remember the only liquid that can satisfy it. The problem is, robots only drink every 42 years. When Hosuli tries really hard to remember some information about the liquid, he only remembers this. The liquid doesn't easily mix with the other liquids in his workshop. Will you help Hosuli to find his drink? Okay, we need some help here. Is anybody there? Cuckoo. Amelia. Amelia? Hey! Is everything okay? Amelia? Did you drink the soda? Okay. Okay, stop. Everything is fine, Amelia, that happens. You must have been really thirsty, just like Hosuli. It's good you found something that quenched your thirst. But remember, while doing research, you should never taste anything without permission. Now we must help Hosuli the robot find his drink. First, make observations of the liquids. What colors do you see? What do you smell? Oh, be careful. And you people at home, put all of the liquids in see-through glasses. Carefully observe all the liquids. What colors do you see? What do you smell? Then make an interpretation. What is this liquid? How did you get to that conclusion? When you have done your observations, you can continue to the next phase of this experiment. Now you need an ice cube tray and a spoon. Choose one of the liquids. Measure 1 spoonful of the liquid and pour it into a slot in the ice cube tray. Now pick another liquid. Measure 1 spoonful of the liquid and pour it into the same slot you put the first one. Observe. What did you see? What about the other liquids? You should continue on with the other liquids until you find the one that doesn't mix with any of the other ones in Hosuli's cabinets. And scientists at home, don't let the adults do the job for you. You are the lead scientist in helping Hosuli find his drink. Bye!